Checking the air in the motorhome tires has always been a pain, especially with the inner tires of the dually. There it is right there. I've had such trouble at times using these. Even came so far as to breaking one of the stems off one time, which led to an even bigger problem. I took the tires off, had to take the one away to get repaired, brought it back, put it on, and then on our trip to the Grand Canyon, they did a rig check about 1 hour in, then everything seemed fine. And then got on the highway. 15 minutes later, a car comes screaming up beside us, honking a horn, pointing to the rear of the motorhome. And all of the lug nuts had come off, and I hadn't noticed it because of those trashy, flashy chrome wheel covers. So now the wheel covers are gone. So early on, I thought of buying these extenders. But after seeing them and saw how they clipped on, I thought that that might cause problems if they ever came loose and it would break the stem off, and I wouldn't know about it. But what I figured out, well, I tried one of these too, and I couldn't get it to work well, one of these clip-ons. But I did use one of those old extenders, and I found out that this is pretty stiff. One of them turns, which wouldn't work too well, but this one is stiff, so I could just turn this on, turn this around and put it on the end of the stem, which I will do. I should have checked the white balance on the camera. My brown hair looks odd there. And it just screws on. Bring it up to full. Works like a charm.